We will guide you through how to create a A3 sheet in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a new drawing. Click the Layout tab at the bottom of the AutoCAD window to open Paper Space. Right-click the Layout tab and select Page Setup Manager to change the paper settings. Select the current layout and click Modify to open the page setup settings. In the Printer or Plotter section, select DWG to PDF.PC3 if you want to prepare the A3 sheet for PDF printing. Find the paper size option and select ISO A3 from the list. Choose Landscape if you want the A3 sheet to be horizontal, or choose Portrait if you want it to be vertical. Set the plot area to layout so AutoCAD uses the A3 paper area as the plotting area. Set the plot scale to 1:1 so the layout uses the actual A3 paper dimensions. Set the plot area correctly to position the A3 sheet properly within the printable area. Click OK to apply the A3 paper settings. Click Close to exit the Page Setup Manager and return to the A3 layout. Check the layout carefully and make sure the paper is displayed in the correct A3 size and orientation. Press Ctrl+P to open the plot dialog and check the A3 paper setting before printing. Review the available plot settings and confirm that the selected printer, paper size, plot area, scale, and orientation are correct. If everything looks correct, continue with the prepared A3 layout. Close the plot dialog or preview after checking the sheet. Then save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed A3 sheet and its settings for future editing or printing.